I don't want to puke on my cat. I'll wrap it. Shake, 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 shake it. Ready? I don't like it. Hey, stop! You're supposed to go. It's so gross. Ew. I won't give up on milk. I don't even feel like shit, to be honest. You blew all over your face. That was so nasty. I do really watch it. No, don't push me harder. Just hit it. Your hand got stuck in my roll. I'm cutting out some scenes because some scenes. I feel like shit. I don't even feel like shit, to be honest. That was like my. Can you please thrust me? Do it. Are you throwing up? Do it. Do it. I don't want to. I'm going to freaking string bean. You laugh it back into me. Did I come out your nose? So much milk just came out of my nose, it's burning. Okay, so there's mine. There's hers at the beginning, and there's hers just now. It was. I looked at the chunks, and it was making me puke. Did you actually puke out of your nose? I just puked out of my nose. Wait, that was all from your nose? No. Oh. I can't handle this. It's dripping out of my nose. I need Kleenex. I hope it looks like I'm wearing pants in this video. Milk smells like asshole. No, I just like pressed my stomach against it a little.